What's going on, YouTube? What we looking at right here is called Grass.io. Yeah, Grass.io. This is a new website that everybody been running up on. I should have joined this when I first started, but we here now. We just signed up not too long ago, only an hour ago, and I'm gonna tell you about this site, man. If you want to get paid for free, listen up. Listen up. Copy this referral code right here and sign up. Because I'm about to tell you right now how to get paid for free. So once y'all sign up, hit that Grass.io, open it up, and start running it on any computer. Any computer. Only one computer per household. So only one IP address, only one household could run this. But apparently we're gonna get a big freaking airdrop. So I'm ready. So I'm telling y'all right now to sign up right freaking now. And so basically you're gonna get this on your computer. You're gonna download Grass.io. You're gonna download the extension of Grass.io, which is like this. And it's gonna say connected. Once you sign up and connect everything, once you connect, you're gonna start earning freaking points. Once you start earning points, man, eventually these points is gonna turn into some money when the token turns live, my nigga. When the token turn live, we don't know yet. Nobody knows. But there's these what is it called? Let me see. Let's view all these. So these are the epochs. We're already epochs 4. We're late. We late right now. So anybody that signs up, we late, but we still early because the airdrop hasn't came yet. So I suggest you to sign up right now because we're on epochs 4. Don't sign up epoch 6, epoch 7 because we already accumulating points. So I got 98 points in 1 hour. But if you leave your computer on for a whole day, you'll get 2,400 points. 2,400 points a day. So 2,400 points times 30 in a month is about like $100. I heard. I don't know if that's true, but $100 a month from a free website. All you gotta do is click the freaking link. If you don't, who cares? I'm making this money. I'm making that motion. Yeah, this website is not doxed, but it has a lot of people on there. Let's see, Grass.io. It has a lot of people on their Twitter. Grass.io. A lot of following, bro. A lot of following. Let me see. Look at that. 380K followers, bro. The data layer of AI. Build the data layer of AI. Let's see. I don't know, but y'all need to sign up. They already got shirts and everything. Come on now. Yeah, so basically we all running our computers to help the freaking network. Helping out we're making money from our unused bandwidth. I know that for a fact. The airdrop's coming soon. Yeah, man, you better get in right now. Copy this referral code, get in early, sign up. Yeah, even if you like share, you'll get 2,500 points for it once you hit 11 furrows. That's pretty good. 17 referrals, 11,000 points. 34 referrals, 36,000 points. Get grass points when users sign up. Yeah, I'm ready, bro. Let's get this money. Let's get this grass IO. I'm gonna do an update later, but yeah, I'm out. Hit that subscribe button, and it's all about making motion. Let's get it.